Since I have a note for you guys, and today we're gonna be doing trying a Mexican candy.
Hi.
That's him. So we're gonna show you how Mexican candy. Go follow him on YouTube. On what?
On TikTok?
No, yeah, you don't have YouTube?
Yeah, it's Omar Place and TikTok. Oh, that's Savage.
Okay, and also hair.
Yeah. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. Follow me. I'm gonna say hello.
On TikTok.
LOL is for funny.
On TikTok.
LOL is for funny.
Okay, so we're gonna. Okay, stop. Start showing them. So we're gonna start showing y'all.
The Mexican candy.
Also, we're gonna show y'all what they're called. So this, you might think, what is that? It's candy on a lollipop. It's called a paleta. It's that.
I'm eating it.
Do you have one so they can show them? So we can eat them
No,
together?
I gave it to his mom.
Can we, you have one so we can try it? So you can try it?
I can get another one.
Does anybody have one so she could try it? She's gonna check if she has one.
I have one.
Huh? You have
I
one?
have one. Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna get one so we can both try it, and I won't be offered.
We never tried this.
So I'm gonna open it. Actually, I have.
Me too.
And these are all Mexican
I mean,
candy.
I had tried this one. Mexican candy are more better. Yeah.
These are called paleta.
No.
What are they called again?
Cucharas.
Yeah, cucharitas.
I have two, guys.
Cucharas or cucharitas?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Can I try it with you guys?
Wait, sure.
Yeah, only this one and then I'm done. Wait. Only this one. Hey, Pee-Pee. I'll be right here.
Yeah, ready?
Wait. I haven't opened mine. Can you open it for me, Open it for me.
What is it?
Do you know how to open it? Yeah.
I'm gonna open it. So this is how you open it. It has a rubber band.
Can I this one with you?
All you have to do is pull it. I don't have.
Is that mine?
No. Do you have another one?
No. Yes, it is.
No. So you open it.
No.
What?
Shut your mouth, no.
So again. Ready?
Count.
Go.
Mmm.
I bite it.
You can lick it too. I bite it, by the way. I lick it. But in little pieces, so then it could stay longer.
Okay, rate it. From 1 to 10.
10.
Well, no, from 1 to 10 chiles. How many chiles?
10.
10 chiles?
Yeah.
How many chiles?
5.
5 chiles. Me, I probably give it probably like 8 or 9.
Right?
Let's go.
I want to see my hand. Where am I staring at? I'm not staring at. No.
They're made of this thing called tamarindo.
No.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Have you ever tried these? What do you prefer?
How many chiles do you give
Comment
it?
down below.
No, it might if it's not turned off.
Look, Omar, you left the gumball in your shoe. It's not a gumball.
Comment down below. I mean, yeah.
You eating
If you try it,
No.
comment how many chiles you give it.
That's not Stop.
How many chiles you give it. Okay. What else should we try?
Try these, guys.
I don't think I have one.
Oh, thank you.
Where did you get it from? What bag are they coming? Oh, this one.
You can have this one.
Okay, so we're gonna try these.
I know how one.
These are called
You can ask your mom. Yeah, they cost that with bubblegum.
tatas bubblegum.
I'm just not eating this.
You open it and you just, if you want to be extra, you can put some in here.
And if you want to do extra more, I feel like you could be a baby. Just take off this. And
Yeah.
Wait, what? I threw mine.
How'd you do that?
Close it, or you just take off this and then go boom. How do you do it?
And also you could be extra, you could just have it as baby water. But nothing comes out.
Yeah, nothing comes out. Unless you put water in there and then you put a little hole right there. Yeah, all 3 of these were mine, but I gave them to them. I will be right back.
I'm gonna save some of it. Let's try another candy.
Wait, we haven't tasted. Oh yeah.
I have. I'll give it.
I already tried this.
I'll give it 10 chiles.
This, I give it 0 chiles because this doesn't even have chiles.
Like it means like how many stars do you give it?
I give it 10.
I have one too.
Cool.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Of course it's go.
Me too.
Of course it's going to go with the girls.
Okay. Well,
Duvalin.
my candy fell.
Let's try Duvalin.
Uh,
Let's do this one.
I don't have some.
can you put me my candy?
I'll give it to you. Put your stuff there.
Fine, we could do this one. We can do this
Unless
one.
if you do yours and mine.
Okay, guys. So next we're gonna try a Duvalin.
Duvalin.
Those are good.
Duvalin. I don't even know.
Actually,
Never mind, they're bad.
Let me try. So is this called? Is it Duvalin?
Yeah.
Or the camera focuses?
It's a Duvalin.
There you go. And the flavors are strawberry and chocolate. Some, like his, is vanilla
Strawberry.
and strawberry.
Mine was vanilla.
And mine's chocolate. And
Mine was vanilla
and
also.
mine's chocolate and strawberry. Okay, let's not move the camera.
Mine is also like this.
I gotta take out my bubble gum.
Guys, look.
I took out my bubble gum. Wait, don't try yet. Okay, cool.
Someone already tried it.
Well, he tried it. Well,
it's good.
We're still, how many chiles do you give it?
10.
10 chiles?
You mean? I give it 5.
You haven't even tried it. Let me try it.
Try and then it'll be. It looks
It comes with a spoon, but I couldn't find mine.
Me either.
No.
You can't. You can't. I mean, it's trash. It comes with a spoon, but mostly I just go with my finger and just go. I go like that. Do you want to try those?
Masapanes?
I don't like this too much.
Masapanes?
I give it
I give this one
Four-
a 10.
four chiles.
I give this one a 10, and I give this one a 0.
I give both of them a 4
After these,
chiles.
you want to try these?
The chips? If
Who
I have
wants
some.
these? Oh, no. I'm gonna get them. I have mine.
I don't have any.
I got mine.
I don't have any.
I got mine. It's on this bag. I got mine, definitely. Can I eat them with you?
Can we try cacahuates? But I'm gonna try cacahuates.
I call it a 0. Can I have the cacahuates?
These are cacahuates.
What about these? Let's try these.
Those are the Let's do
I'm gonna
these.
give those a 0.
We're gonna do these.
I don't know.
I don't have that one.
I'm gonna give them a 0.
Here, give me that.
This one.
And then we could do this one.
If I
And then we could do this one. You want this one?
But tomorrow when you come to the house, I'm gonna give you them, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna try it. You open it, and sometimes you can add salsa Valentina.
Yeah, it's good with salsa Valentina.
Yeah.
It's super good. It like super good.
It's
Like,
peanuts.
I haven't even finished all my candies.
Oh
No!
Go bite it open.
Guys, look, I didn't even finish this, or this, or even
Somebody
this.
gave me this one, the open one. I give this 10.
I'm gonna give those a 0. I don't like them.
When you're done with the YouTube channel, I'll make a YouTube channel of I guess this is a 10.
Okay, we'll just think about it.
Let me see.
I give this 10.
This is a 10. Guys, comment down below what we should do to his.
Vanessa,
Right now,
the
when
ones,
we're done.
the ones you gave
What do you
me,
think we
I'ma
should do
give
for
them,
my YouTube channel?
a 5 and a 10.
I don't know.
I'm gonna give
Copy
that one a 5 and a 10.
We create TikTok videos? My phone doesn't have battery. No. You try the chips.
Yeah.
I already finished
And
mine.
that one, you even finish that one.
We could get some of mine and
You
mine.
even have this.
I got my big bag.
Next,
Big bag.
next we're gonna try these. What is it called again?
Chicharrones.
Yeah, well, chicharrones.
Lemon and chile.
Yeah, and we have the chile ones. Those are.
I tried these, but without lemon. I mean, without the chile.
I'm gonna give those.
Try it. I go with the.
I already finished mine, but they're done. You know what I do? I put my tongue in there. Like that. You know what I do? I put it as a ring.
You can play with the two like this.
No, you can put it as a ring. It doesn't fit. Oh, yeah.
You can put it as a ring and eat it.
But it hurts your finger.
Oh,
Like
they're
this
good.
one. You want this? Imagine just giving me his snacks. I wish my name was Michael. Let's try these.
We're going too fast.
Oh, I like those, but I don't. I never tried these, by the way.
Me either. We gotta slow it down. Is this forky? Oh, I thought it was forky. So these are called something. I don't know.
Are they gonna do a Toy Story 5? No, right? Here you go.
Look, guys.
Oh my god.
Can I try one?
I haven't tried one of
So
those.
good.
10.
Oh wait, what do we give the chips? I give it a 10.
10.
I'll give it 10.
10.
Ew. These are good.
Ew.
These are 10.
Why'd you do that? Ew. These are good.
I don't know about this. Yeah.
Copycatter.
No.
This is good.
Okay, guys, this is good. I don't know.
Hi, my name is Princess. You love my beautiful hair? Okay.
Her name is Lisa, by the way.
That's a bad name. I give that a 0. I give that a 10. Let's push that out. I was just joking. No, why would it spit it out?
Next, let's try this.
Because I wanted to see if you copying me.
No, never mind.
This one.
It will actually.
I don't have.
I don't have.
I could just try that one.
Hey, can we just try this one? Because
I don't have that one.
I do.
But we're gonna try these paletas.
Guys, I have another one of those. Actually, when you say paletas, it calls popsicle in English, right?
Pero vamos a estar hablando en español.
Ajá, español.
Okay.
I'm gonna give my mom some. Leave that potato alone.
I give this a 10.
I give this 100.
So guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Don't forget, you can get these candles at your local supermarket. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, as I always say, or me and my brother say. We'll be back with more videos. Peace.